Hello and welcome to the stock market analysis. Let's continue to take a look at stock AMD. Now the question for us is this stock trying to bottom? With the stock very near the rising 200 MA, there is a high possibility that it might stop dropping and after that move higher. Now, if you are interested in the semiconductor stocks, to check out my channel and subscribe to my channel because I look at quite a lot of semiconductor stocks. Now, this stock has a very bad decline after the presence of a topping tail. In fact, it had 3 topping tails: weekly chart, topping tail, monthly chart. There is a topping tail. I have made a video on it. When you see 3 topping tails, it can be quite dangerous, and this stock has declined by quite a lot. But what I can see here is that it's very near the rising 200 MA, and I was actually thinking that maybe it might have a reverse head and shoulders here. Okay, let me just draw for you to see. This is the reverse head and shoulders, possible, right? Ideally, we want to see the stock decline a bit more to around this left shoulder here, and then when it breaks out, it can break out higher. This is actually a bottoming chart pattern, and ideally it should drop a bit more and then go up, but well, sometimes the right shoulder can be a bit higher than the left shoulder. But what you might want to see is the stock makes a higher low. This is a low with a doji here, and then if it goes up, make a higher low, go back up above the 20 MA, and eventually have a bullish cross where the 20 MA goes back above the 50 MA. This is the bullish cross, and we have a very nice run up, and hopefully we will see it sometime in the future. But if you look at the weekly chart, stock is sitting at support level. This is the previous high, this is support area, so it's not surprising if we see the stock stop dropping and then reverse and move back up. Let's take a look at stock MACD indicators. Weekly chart, it's well, quite oversold, the stochastics. The MACD histogram might see a bit of shortening, showing us that the bearish momentum is slowing down. Now, I'd like to show you some news or maybe article. Is AMD stock going to 190? One Wall Street analyst thinks so. 190 is not too far. Actually say that from here, what they say is that look, Jefferies analysts expect AMD to benefit from a strong upcycle in the semiconductor market and soaring demand for AI chips. Could this assume coverage of AMD on Monday with a buy rating price target of 190 based on the current stock price? This price target represents an upside of 25%. Another interesting article is how much 1,000 investment in AMD stock 10 years ago would be worth today. So how much would it be worth? Here, an investment at 412 per share would have bought you to 42.72 shares. Those shares would be worth 36,554 today. Well, not too shabby. Yeah. So this stock, despite the decline here, actually is in a long-term uptrend. But it has been quite volatile. You can see when it goes up, it declines by quite a lot. But it kind of formed a cupboard handle pattern here and then move up. You can see the cupboard handle pattern. Just draw it for you to see. Right. Right. This is the cupboard handle pattern. Cup handle breakout, This is a monthly chart. Take the target. Target has been met. Yep, target has been met, and now it's correcting to an area of support. Should you buy it now at this moment? Well, if it trades above this swing here, then you could assume that it's a reverse head and shoulder, and maybe it's gonna bottom. But ideally, you want to see it have another bullish cross like here, where the 20 MA goes back above the 50 MA. Now, 60-minute chart, maybe you can draw a downtrend line and see whether it can trade back above. But definitely, you should at least see the 60-minute 200 MA. Look at this, and ideally, you want to see the stock to move back above the 60-minute 200 MA before considering any longs in the chart. Now, if you go to tip ranks, you can go to www.tipranks. Actually, all right. Just show here. All right. So it's a strong buy with 32 ratings, 27 buy, 6 hold, 0 sell. Amazing. Now, 12-month forecast high of 265, average is 192, low is 140. This actually shows how powerful this stock could be, because there's a strong buy. So I do believe that this stock is capable of continuing moving higher because it's in a long-term uptrend. Monthly chart is doing well. So let's take a look at its support for those who want to invest in the stock. If this support holds, then most likely you can continue to move up. Okay, so hope this analysis helps you. Now, before we go, let's take a look at SMH. This is the daily chart of SMH. It's doing very well. SMH is moving up, broke a downtrend line, which tells us that it has moved from bearish to bullish, make higher lows here, and if there's a bullish cross like here, then maybe we can break out higher, and this might help AMD as well. So watch this support area, possible reverse head and shoulder. If it breaks above this swing high here, then possibly we can slowly start to move up like this. Hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next one.